Hi guys! First, we'll show you what a Life in BSED program is like. We'll start by introducing the school where you study, and here you get a glimpse of what the BSED program is all about and what study in this field do. Our class starts at 7 a.m. In this video, my friend and I arrive early. It's a good habit to get used to being early, especially if you're our class at 7 a.m. In the next video, we'll show you how to wear our report. First is my partner, Maria Leonora.
Ayan, sa fundraising and grant seeking, so nasabi namin is so explore opportunities for fundraising and grant funding to supplement tuition revenue and support scholarship program. So sa fundraising, so sabi dyan is nagsusulisit sa group, individuals, or naghahalas sila sa mga businesses or sa other organization. So dyan is, sabi nga ni Ma'am, nagkakaiba ng fundraising para mas matabangan pa yung school mo and nagpapa-events out yan. Dyan ganyan sa fundraising. Tapos sinabi ng grant seeking, yung ganyan ma-apply ka ng mga or magiging kayong proposal para ito doon sa government agencies para matabangan yung school ninyo or kung ano yung project na iipuon kang school ninyo or yung mga budget na kailangan ng school ninyo. Iyon po yan sa fundraising and the grants. So, sa resource allocation naman, hindi ka ma-decide kung paano mo gagamitin itong available funds or resources para ma-achieve itong financial goals. And then, involved naman itong, involved digde sa resource allocation, itong pag-prioritize ng mga investment and then expenses, no? Tapos, may mga other financial activities na pwede siyang ma-maximize and then ma-minimize itong risk or pag-gastos. Pero pag sa resource allocation, dapat maging matalino kasi pag-gastos ka funds.
Sa resource allocation po, nakakatabang siya sa children's learning and development kasi napaprioritize yung mga needs ng mga akin na kubigo sa eskwelahan.
So, cost analysis and efficiency. So, continuously analyze costs to identify areas for improvement and enhance the efficiency in managing resources. So, dyan naman is na-analyze ito or sabi nga ni Ken, itatrack sa kung saan kita nag-overspend. Like for example, halimbawa pag nagsasawad mo lang kita, kaya, di matigilin ka naman sa risiko kung saan kita nag-over, So, ano kaya sa cost analysis? Tika-analyze na kung saan kita nag-overspend. And, sabi pa dyan, to enhance the efficiency in managing resources. Next.
So sa compliance with regulation, naka-digde na compliance with all the relevant regulation and guidelines na related naman sa financial management ng early childhood education law. Tapos dapat i-adhere mo digde itong kagabusan na applicable laws and then rules and guidelines na mag-govern naman sa financial activities na financial activities. And then, ensure dito itong ethical and legal operations para ma-ensure ang compliance and regulations.
So, in conclusion, effective financial management in early childhood programs involve careful planning and execution of tuition-free policies, sinabi ko kasi bago, and scholarships and other funding sources, includes budgeting, financial planning, and ensuring sustainability of
Next is my turn. When we're assigned to report, we should always be ready, even if we don't code right away.
Low-income families para masuportahan yung childcare or yung inanani ko para i-assist ang mga low-income families para ma-afford nila yung childcare. Next po is Head Start and Early Head Start. It offers comprehensive early childhood education service to low-income families, includes health, nutrition, and parent involvement services. So, dyan naman po, promote niya ang healthy development and school readiness for low-income children. So, nakafocus man po siya sa health, nutrition, and sa development ng mga akit. So, sa states and local grants, Ohio's Early Childhood Education Grant provides high-quality early learning service to Ohio's preschool-age children. Kasi po, ano siya,
After we finish our report, we give a quiz. And when we have a vacant period, we just stay inside the classroom, laughing, sharing story, or celebrating a classmate birthday. So this is our A Life of a Bised, and thank you for watching.